present the Tyler appointed at the altar for installation.
It's going to be the Puerto Rican blade, huh?
That's right, Jets and Sharks, man.
That's the...
Right, Clerk Installing Officer, I present Juan Rodriguez, the installed Tyler of
I
this
got an
lodge.
organist any place, remember?
My brother, you've been appointed Tyler of this lodge, and are now invested with the badge in your office.
That would be funny.
Don't you dare do that to me.
Can't go up there. That's okay. That's okay. Doc goes down. Doc stands in the middle and look at the guy. You hear the walk a chicken, walk a chicken, walk a chicken, walk a chicken.
Damn right.
Hey, now they do.
Shouldn't have said that. Make sure I have it on my phone or backstage.
You say that Doc is a bad. Shut your mouth. Just talking about Doc.
As the sword is placed in the hands of the Tyler, the better to enable him to guard against the approach of Collins and eavesdroppers, so should it admonish us to place a guard over our thoughts, a watch over our lips, and post a sentinel over our actions, thereby preventing the approach of every unworthy thought or deed, and preserving our consciences void of offense toward God and toward man. The marshal will now conduct you to your place in the lodge.